everyone, today I am going to share with you a very delicious recipe called chili chicken. So let's get started. First I will tell you the ingredients. We need 250 gram of chicken, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon garlic, 1 tablespoon soya sauce, 1 tablespoon corn flour and egg and some pepper. So let's get started. Now, first we will add some garlic. Now we will add some salt to taste. Now we will add some corn flour. Perfect. Now we will add some soya sauce. And now we will add some fresh pepper. Now we will add a half cup of egg. Half egg. Now mix all the ingredients together. Now take the oil in a pan and fry the chicken on a slow flame. If you want, you can add some color to the chicken. Till the chicken is frying, I will tell you the ingredients for gravy. We need some chopped onion, garlic, chili sauce, green chili sauce and red chili sauce mixed together and some capsicum. Always fry a chicken on a low flame. Till the chicken fries, we will do the next step. I put some chili garlic. Let it be golden. Now put some onion and let it be golden. Now put some capsicum. Don't cook it so much. Mix it well. And then put some chili garlic paste. And then put some sauce. Perfect. Soya sauce. Now add some soya sauce. Now mix it well. Now I am going to take some corn flour water. Make sure there are no lumps. Now put it into our gravy. Now mix it. Mix well. Now our chicken is ready. Now we will put it into our gravy. Now we will mix it. If you need, add some salt. Now our chicken chili is almost done. Now put it in a bowl. Now our chicken chili is ready. It is looking delicious. Hope you enjoyed our video. Stay home, stay safe and try my new recipes. Thank you. Bye.